Hey folks, I have something kind of special to show you today. It's a cigar box ukulele. So I'm not the first person to do this. There's plenty of people that make instruments from cigar boxes. But I was inspired to do this by Samuel Kamaka's cigar box instruments from last century. And over the winter when I was laid up a little bit, I was able to source some antique cigar boxes that were the same brand that he used for his. And I've been told that, or I've read, that he just used the cigar boxes that his neighbor smoked. So traditionally, you know, these cigar boxes, they're made of either Western red cedar or they're made of Cuban mahogany. Just depends on the age. This is at least a mid-century cigar box, and it had a top on mine that was broken, so I added a new cedar top, and then I put the hinges and the tax label back on. It's got a let's see, this is a cypress neck, and then oak for the rest of it. And I've kind of been half toying with the idea that these would be suitable as a teaching device as well. I mean, a way to teach somebody how to build and start with one of these. So I made it up this winter. And now we're going to take it to music camp and maybe we'll find a new owner for it. Yeah, it's a real chipper and bright sound, which I think is really great. This one's soprano scale. So yeah, it's going to music camp, and maybe you'll come back and be available. We will see. It is number 948. Cheers.